Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Mohammad Onisbi. I am working in a Bagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there, and my lecture is lecture number 7, and it is associated and related towards the grade 8 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide, that is a topic slide. The topic that I am going to discuss and describe is the calculation of speed. I have already discussed in my previous lecture the definition of speed. The speed is the rate of change of distance, and its formula is distance divided by time. And distance may be that is covered by the car or the train is measured by measuring tape, and time is measured by a stopwatch. If you find out the distance traveled by the car, you have to use the measuring tape, and if you want to find the time taken by the car, you have to use the stopwatch. The speed formula is equal to distance divided by time. For now we will calculate the speed. I've taken an example. If the car covers the distance of 500 meter in 10 seconds, then calculate its speed. In solution, we have to use the formula of speed, because in the question in the question is asking that you have to calculate the speed. So you have to apply the formula of speed, and speed is equal to distance over time. And distance is given in the example 500 meter, and the time to cover that distance is 10 seconds. You have to divide 500 meter over 10 seconds, then you will get speed of 50 meter per second. I have taken another example. Convert distance of 100 kilometer into meters. In this question, it is asking that you have to convert 100 kilometer of distance into meters. So in the solution, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So in order to convert 100 kilometer into meter, we have to multiply the 100 with 1000. When we multiply 100 with 1000, we will get the value, that is 100,000 meters. This is a conversion of unit from kilometer to meter. This may be asked in the question, so you have to prepare yourself for the exam. Now your home task is that you have to solve the topic question that is related to calculation of speed in your book that has been given by Bagh school to you. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.